Right guys, let's find out if a Slingshot can open a 20mm hardened steel padlock. We'll try single bands first. If that doesn't work, we'll move on to the doubles. The doubles maybe won't even work, I don't know. 9.5 steel, 3.5 grams. Single 28 to 22, double 20 to 15. Let's go down the woods, get set up, and see can we bust these open. Okay, try this first. Hardened steel and brass 20mm padlock. I don't think this is going to do much, lads. 9.5mm steel. Hit it there, and it opened it. It locks. Try one more. Okay, there was our first shot down there, and there's our second shot. That padlock was locked both times it opened. So, I'm surprised at that, to be fair, because that's a single band, 9.5mm steel. That just shows you the true power of the Slingshot. Single bands and 9.5 steel. Next time we're going to try a much bigger lock. Check out my how to aim video, and if you're into it, check out my hunting videos too. Thanks for watching.